You know how to get bloodstains out of a carpet?
Yes.
Good, come with me.
What?
He's just going. Where's the prune?
I think he's excited.
We're cleaning the entryway because Uncle Kyle and Aunt Inga are coming.
Good idea. Cooking. Another seat. Another seat. Got to have breakfast sorted out.
We need
I'm gonna charge up this girl.
Someone bring the vlog camera. Tim, you gotta try this.
No, I'm not trying that.
Well, we had a
What is he not
bit of a
trying?
leakage.
That.
Oh.
What? It doesn't even look that bad.
It's your turn. I tried it last year.
Yeah, I guess.
Honey.
I think next year we're gonna have to buy more of these because this is like we still have the Country Time iced teas. We'll have those until we're 40. But
We'll bring a bunch of country chai iced teas.
should we bring the nasty peach fruit crumbles too?
Quinoa.
We're never gonna run out of those.
Any waddle away. Waddle.
Oh! For Amron. Initiated. Let's go.
She has to eat that?
Yeah.
Oh, poor girl.
Yep.
Hey, does Grandpa have plastic bags we could put this in?
Does Grandpa have plastic bags?
Well, we can just.
Here's the backup.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
I did not even know there was
Let's
that
show
many.
the vlog. How many plastic bags Grandpa has? That is admirable.
Oh, salty snacks! Where are they?
We ate them all already. Diarrhea.
Honey, we don't need to know.
It was explosive.
Okay. When?
I was like cleaning up at work and I was like,
Oh,
this
recently?
ain't good. Yeah.
Okay.
And then I was
Today.
like driving home and like
Okay.
I was having like pains in my uterus.
You told me that.
And then so I had to like undo my belt because it was just like cramping up like crazy. And I got home and it was like bad.
You might be pregnant.
Uh-oh. Please don't break the water on the canoe trip.
He'll be fine
I
for a
won't break
while.
water, don't worry. Just leave.
Okay, so here's. Okay, so here's how we're looking. So Saturday. Oh crap!
Oh crap.
And
That's
then
a
you have to
classic.
share
I
10
found my
minutes.
reel.
What? What reel?
My fuego.
What the crap? Show me this. Fletcher's calling me.
They would put me in a
Are you guys still packing?
Oh frick yeah.
friggin' right, boy.
How much longer do you have left?
Decent.
Couple hours.
What?
Well, let's get back, because I'm on my way!
Let's go!
But the problem with that Blackwood is if you leave it in the sun for any amount of time, it gets really hot.
Yeah.
I didn't know that Blackwood got hot. I didn't know that, so...
Now
I can... You want me to stop?
That's
and
why
hold
Dara
for
is so
a
hot.
second?
What?
Did you say that's why Dara's so hot?
Yeah.
Show it off the camera. That's very nice.
This big.
Okay. Well, solar charger's there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Bye.
Mattress.
Where's your
can sleep on.
I'll just share with either one of you, whoever's closest.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Caroline. Oh.
Good times never seemed so good.
So good.
So good.
So
So good.
So good.
Oh, look at this.
Ah!
Just because I don't know what Fletcher's gonna do or not do.
Oh my goodness, how? That is 5 pairs of sunglasses?
Hello. Welcome to Boston Pizza. May I be
I don't know if you're visible.
your server?
It'd be really funny if this was the top of his head.
You know why I need all these? Cause the future is so bright it will melt your popsicle.
Whoa. Well, that's what we need, Fletcher.
No, it gets weaker over time. It has a half-life.
Okay, well,
But it does still work.
Then you still got half the life.
So just take 8.
Just take 8.
Oh, we go see at Grandpa's house.
Right.
So you're taking this home.
I'm taking you home, baby girl.
Okay, so I'm thinking we're gonna throw.
I know she's jacked. She's secretly, she's Dutch jacked. That's the thing. They weigh like 3 pounds and it's all muscle.
Can you please tell me that you were vlogging?
Yeah. Hannah's literally crying. Okay, 10 time.
2 10 time.
No.
Oh shit!
Every
Lift a little right here.
smoke some crack.
Okay, come on out. Yeah. And then
All right.
what we'll do is
I'm super gay.
I think what we'll do is once we have the fly on. Actually, let's flip this around.
Okay, great.
What do you want to say to everyone?
I want to say it smells like Amron's garage in here. I'm really scared. There's also some really funky stains in this tent.
Okay. Are you ready, Fletcher?
Yeah.
Here I come.
Oh no, it started to rain!
100% chance of showers. Here, we'll give you a couple drops first. Oh, there's a bit of showers in the area. Nothing too crazy. Okay, I know it's downpouring, but just in one spot at a time.
Yeah, we're dry as a bone in here, boys.
Nice. Love it.
What the actual crap? There in the fox outside.
Is he still there?
Yeah.
Fox, Tim and Hannah, our tent. Hi, buddy. She's thrilled.
I really want to pet it.
Oh,
I want to pet one.
she's sucking through a straw.
Just looked at me. I want to go pet it.
No. Wait, no. Look at this. Nope. Guys, he's right here. It's just like, oh hey Tim, I'm sneaking up on you, buddy. Hi. Oh my goodness.
You didn't realize.
Tune.
Nice.
And
What?
Are you gonna real quick hit it with the back?
He said the shark.
He said not that little one because I could suck up more with my own air.
With my own what?
With my own air. Okay. Anyway, we're out.
Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Putting your
Hey
phone
guys, we're back packing again. We forgot to outro last time, but we're like just hours away from Cousin Kanucha, and we're scrambling, but we're pretty much good now. Okay, are we vlogging? Yeah. I'm not gonna say anything sus.
Oh, let's go.
Hannah.
Come on, Hannah.
What?
That's my freaking wife.
No, it's a foul. It's a foul. It's a foul.
Oh crap.
It's not.
No, it's not.
Did that bounce in? Oh my goodness.
Good job.
Hannah.
Hannah, that's an RBI. Let's go.
Oh,
You always put your best hitter fourth. Actually, fun fact.
interesting.
Oh, I'm getting a home run right now.
Tim, you're.
See, I got one.
Oh, Chan. That's sick. Her rod lights up when you reel it.
No way.
I mean, real lights up.
It's crazy. After all my advice. Oh, you just.
oh, I'm sorry.
You just whipped Daniel's apple out of his head.
It's so moldy.
Are you okay, Daniel?
I am, but my apple's not.
Ew.
He did that. Fueling up. Almost time to go. Yep. They're launching the friggin' boat and stuff. There's Arrowhead right over there. Laura and Katrina are somewhere over there. Thanks, guys. There's a boatload of ducks as well.
Baby ducks.
There's some distant thunder. Everyone's ready to go though. Just waiting for Katrina and Laura, who are finishing up at Arrowhead.
Do we want this for the trip?
That's sick. Yeah, that's awesome.
For my mom,
You sit on it.
like this.
That's awesome. I don't know how they're still not here yet. Okay, so we figured out that something went wrong with the parking brake. We're not sure if they were in gear or not.
Just didn't have it all the way in gear.
But either way, they're gonna be here in like 8.5 jiffies. So we're getting ready to welcome them in the middle of the highway, because that's what life is. Okay, Fletcher, get up. Is it them? It's finally them! Let's go!
Guys, over here. Guys.
Wow, what a majestic looking van. Here they come. Should we wave them down?
Guys, over here.
Guys, over here! Guys! Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the actual Cousins Canoe Trip vlog next.